right here at the Sandhills Ranch Expo. We took in some of the sights and sounds here around the grounds and found a local manufacturer that started in Ainsworth, Nebraska. They've grown to serve customers now all around the world. One of the Nebraska manufacturers with their equipment on display, joined now by Kade Blake. He's a sales manager, design consultant with Daniels Manufacturing. First, remind our viewers about Daniels. How long have you guys been building stuff here in Nebraska?
So we've been in business since 1958. It was started by Dude Daniels, and we started with just auto gates and panels, some cabin barns, and then we switched up and started building squeeze chutes and alleyways and bridges and barns and everything else, and sprinklers and clotheslines, you name it. If you need it, we can build it,
There's been a few products in particular, though, over the years you guys have become famous for. Tell us some of those.
Probably our alleyway and our squeeze chute. We work with the top 50 feedlots in the United States with those. Heck, we're actually 22 different countries with them. They've been a game changer for sure. You mix a bud box with our alleyway, it's a pretty hard to beat combination.
What do you think that is? What sets you guys apart?
For us, we really focus on low stress cattle handling, and noise elimination is a huge part of that. So all of our equipment we put a lot of rubber bushings everywhere, polyplastic, and then of course we work with a lot of top guys too, with the bud boxes to focus on animal husbandry and moving cattle with volunteer flow versus being above them with a hot shot or being behind them. It's all about working beside them and getting comfortable with cattle.
You brought one of your hydraulic chutes here to the Sandhills Ranch Expo. Tell us about the Dandy Rancher.
So this is the Dandy. This is one that we're making. It's going to be a little bit more economical for the cow-calf guy. This was kind of one of Danny's last brainchilds. This was his last invention we had. So he didn't get to see this one actually get performed, but we're getting it out and about now, and it's going along really well. We've got less cylinders on this outfit. It still has the Daniel strength. I mean, this is our lightest chute, and it weighs 4,000 pounds. So, I mean, it's still Daniel's made, but just a little bit less components, and it's still very user friendly, cattle friendly. We're totally parallel squeeze, so we don't have to worry about catching hips. Cattle have a nice entryway coming in. We're 35 inches wide, so you like your bigger bulls. Everything's just nice and comfortable.
Well, finally, hopefully ranchers, especially the cow-calf guys, have a little bit more change in the pocket to spend with the historic cattle markets we've seen. If you could give advice, of course, you're a sales manager, but if you give advice to a rancher of areas to invest in the operation to make their life a little bit easier, where would you tell them to start?
I tell you, our gates and panels, you could build your own alleyway with them too on a lower budget. But these gates and panels, and anything Daniels, it holds its value. I mean, it's any dispersion sale or anything you go to like that, it never fails. Them auctions, it'll bring higher price. And we've had sales just south of town, 10 miles. We've had gates and panels in stock, and they've still went for $10, $20 higher per panel, new price. And that was something they bought in the 70s. And we still use the same thickness and strength of steel. We use a pretty high tensile strength steel. So it actually bows out to like 17% before it kinks, and it's good stuff. But yeah, it's pretty wild how much it holds its value.